Napapaglikod siya.
Okay, let's go. One, two, three.
Isa good day everyone, andito tayo ngayon sa May Boulevard at umatid tayo ng ng walk-in talk ng aming kumpanya. Yan, ang dami yung mga kasama namin yan, iba-ibang brand. So ngayon ay December 13, 2025.
Please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo lagi pag meron akong mga bagong videos. Thank you!
Come on, Baxter, you can do a better job than your guys. Come on. Take your time, very good. For now, Primark is the most active team. Come on, Primark is here! We're so used to all this in the store. Let's go! Take your time, I can see you in the front line. Go by the back line. Hello, team. Happy? Come on. Come on, Bacha. Kita. Okay. If you can see him, you'll be in the picture. If you cannot see him, there's no picture for you. So can you come this side? We're going to get a big picture.
Napapaglikod siya.
Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. Give a big hand to Jane, guys. Eat everything and then we'll make a big post about it as well. Okay? Today, you know how many rounds are we going to take? Who says one? Who says two? Nobody? Okay. Sorry guys, but we are going to take 2 rounds today. The weather's lovely. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is after the best medicine. After you got it?
It's a good day everyone. Andito tayo ngayon sa May Boulevard at umatid tayo ng ng walk and talk ng aming kumpanya. Yan. Ang dami yung mga kasama namin yan, iba-ibang brand. So ngayon ay December 13, 2025. Yan. So nakaka-relax din at maganda nga rin ngayon. Ang dami So lalapitan natin. Marami. Yan yung mga, tulad sabi ko, mga ibang namin yan. Company. Dami. So, kumusta naman ang buhay-buhay mga OFW? Pala si Ronnie, kasalukuyang OFW dito sa bansang Kuwait. Hindi, kumuha lang ako ng pupos ko sa At saka pang pupos ko to YouTube. Yan. So, punta natin yung mga kasama natin doon. Yan, at saka naglakad din kami 2 rounds. Paikot. Punta natin yung ibang kasama natin. Ayan. Oh, hi guys.
Hi guys, for today's video.
Okay. So yan yung mga mix na yan, mga iba-ibang brand. So maganda rin, nakaka-relax din at nakakawala ng stress sa trabaho.
Very nice to have all of you.
Tapos na actually.
I just wanted to wish you
Uwi na yun.
a Happy New Year and thank you so much.
Tapos na. So, paano? Maraming salamat sa ipagsama. Have a nice and great day to all of you.